Hello dear students. So now we will study next problem where it is mentioned that if the 10 kg ball has velocity of 3 meter per second when it is at the position A as shown in figure along the vertical path, determine tension in the cord and tangential component of acceleration of ball at this position. So this is the vertical plane, and here so this is rotating in this direction. So here the radius they have given, it is 2 meter, and this is the point A where the velocity also mentioned. Now how to solve this question? So here first of all, so what is asked? Tensions they have asked, tangential acceleration they have asked, then velocity it is given 3 meter per second, and rho is also given. Now we have to draw FBD at this point A. So here you can see this is the FBD at point A, and here you can see first of all we have to mention the directions of the acceleration along the normal and tangential direction. So we know the AN normal acceleration, it is always towards inside the curve, and so it is the chord, and hence the tension is also this direction. And here this is the tangential acceleration, tangential to the curve in the direction of the motion of the particle, and hence here we can see the weight is acting in downward direction, and we have to write the angle. So here you can see the angle made is with respect to horizontal by this chord, it is 30 degree. So here if it is 30 degree, then with the vertical it will make 60 degree, and again with this it will be, so it will be 60 degree, and here it will be 30 degree, and here we will see, so this mg is making at an angle 30 degree. Now this is the FBD and direction of the acceleration we have mentioned. Now we have to apply the conditions, or we have to apply the D'Alembert's principle and bring the system in dynamic equilibrium. So to do that, we have to apply the in opposite direction of the acceleration. So now this is the AT direction. So to bring this in dynamic equilibrium, we have to apply the force whose magnitude will be MAT. So this is brought in equilibrium. Now another direction there is AN. So we have to apply equal and opposite force whose magnitude will be MAN, and then the system will be in equilibrium. And if required, you can mention the axis also. You can mention the axis to perform the next tasks. Now here again we have to apply the conditions of equilibrium. So we have to apply the conditions of equilibrium. Now first of all we will take summation fx is equal to 0. So here x direction is this direction, and you can see how many forces are acting along this direction. So tension MAN and component of this mg along this direction. So here minus T plus MAN plus mg sine 30 is equal to 0. Then we can rewrite this T is equal to mg sine 30 plus m v square upon rho. As we know, An is equal to v square upon rho. So next we can put up the values, because we know mass is given, that is 10 kg, and g is also we know, and velocity also we know, that is 3 meter per second. Now here T is equal to 10 into 9.81 into this sine 30 plus mass is 10, velocity is 3 square divided by rho, radius is given, that is 2 meter, and hence we can calculate the value of T as 94.05 Newton. So this is our first answer. Now we have to apply another condition of equilibrium, that is summation Fy is equal to 0. And if we apply summation Fy is equal to 0, in the y direction the forces are MAT and the component of mg. So here we can write this MAT minus mg cos 30 is equal to 0. So here y direction, this direction is positive, and here MAT will be positive and mg cos 30 will be negative. So here m and m will get cancelled. So AT is equal to g cos 30, and we can calculate the answer of AT, that is 8.5 meter per second. So this is our second answer. So this is how we have to calculate the answers.